Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that could revolutionize the way you store food, the FoodSaver Compact Vacuum Sealer. We found this product and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the FoodSaver Compact Vacuum Sealer is all about. This machine is designed to create an airtight seal around your food, extending its freshness and preventing freezer burn. It's compact and stylish in a clean white finish, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen countertop without taking up too much space. One of the standout features of this vacuum sealer is its ability to keep food fresh in the freezer up to 5 times longer than traditional storage methods. This is a game changer for anyone looking to reduce food waste and save time by prepping meals in advance. Imagine being able to buy groceries in bulk, vacuum seal them, and enjoy them weeks later without compromising on quality. Another important aspect of the FoodSaver Compact Vacuum Sealer is its space-efficient design. It can be stored vertically, which is perfect for those with limited countertop space. This thoughtful design means you can keep your kitchen organized without sacrificing functionality. In terms of efficiency, this model reduces bag waste by 35% compared to previous models. This means you get more use out of each roll of vacuum seal bags, making it a more economical choice for long-term food storage. When it comes to versatility, this vacuum sealer truly shines. It features customized settings for both dry and moist foods, ensuring that you get the best possible airtight seal no matter what you're sealing. This is particularly useful for those who enjoy sous vide cooking, as it allows you to seal meats and vegetables in a way that maximizes flavor and texture during the cooking process. Speaking of versatility, the FoodSaver Compact Vacuum Sealer is compatible with all other FoodSaver bags, rolls, and accessories. This means you can easily expand your food storage options by connecting it to a FoodSaver handheld sealer, which is sold separately. This connection allows you to preserve food in your fridge and pantry as well, making it a multifunctional tool for the home cook. Now, let's discuss who this product is suitable for. If you're someone who loves meal prepping, enjoys sous vide cooking, or simply wants to keep food fresh for longer periods, this vacuum sealer is definitely for you. It's ideal for busy families, individuals looking to save money on groceries, or anyone who wants to reduce food waste while maintaining the quality of their food. In practical use, there are countless scenarios where the FoodSaver Compact Vacuum Sealer could be a lifesaver. For instance, if you buy fresh produce in bulk, you can vacuum seal portions to prevent them from spoiling. Or, if you enjoy buying meats on sale, you can separate them into meal-sized portions and freeze them for later. This not only saves time during the week but also ensures that your food stays fresh and delicious. In summary, the FoodSaver Compact Vacuum Sealer is an essential kitchen tool for anyone serious about food storage. With its ability to keep food fresh longer, space-efficient design, reduced bag waste, and customizable settings, it truly stands out in the market. Thanks for watching. If this video